Hey, it's Roman from 55 Digital. Whether you run your own agency or manage your ads by yourself, we've put together a full Google Ads resource folder to help you work smarter, get better results and save a ton of time. Inside you will find step-by-step checklist and instructions we use in our agency, and the best part, you can do a professional level audit yourself without hiring an expert. This alone can save you $200-300 compared to paying for a professional audit. In our folder we include ready-made templates for Google Tag Manager for both e-commerce and lead generation. And the best part, you just import your template into your GTM and it's ready to go for your website. No complicated setup, no guesswork. This alone can save you around $1,000 compared to hiring an agency to do it for you. So with this setup, you will know exactly what's working in your ads, what's bringing in sales or leads, and you can optimize your campaigns to get better results without spending extra. Also, we include Google Ads strategies that show you how to test campaigns from scratch, so you don't waste money guessing or running ads that don't convert. Also, you will find a timeline of what to do and when, so you know exactly how to plan and improve campaigns. For agency owners, we have client onboarding guides, questions to ask client, workflow setup, and organizing everything in Google Drive. And of course, we have tips on optimizing websites for e-commerce and lead generation. For example, if your website's conversion rate goes from 3 to 5%, that's almost a 70% increase in sales or leads. And the best part is you don't need to spend more on ads to see that extra revenue. And finally, you will get reporting templates in Looker Studio and scripts to automate your workflow, saving you hours. Basically, it's everything you need to run campaigns, track results, and scale your business, whether you're doing it solo or running an agency.